Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you the Mhero I. It's a very nice car. It's a new car in the UAE, and I'm very curious to see how the systems here are from a driver's perspective. So the headrest is good, the seating position is nice, so you can change the seatings from here. It's all very nice and handy. And here you see the gun designed door handle. It's very interesting, and here is actually how you open it. The controls for the windows are here. It's like in the G-Wagon. It's very good. There is a handle here which you can hold yourself if you drive quickly. There's also one here, and not many cars have a handle on the driver's side. So from that perspective, it's pretty good and complete. But I guess for the off-road capabilities, you need this. Then you have 3 different displays, 4 actually. So this is one, the head display. There is a head-up display as well. That's the main display and the passengers display. And there is also that display here on the rear mirror display. Let's see how it looks like here. So these are just normal headrests. There is a for the glasses, storage box for the glasses, very nice. Some buttons here to open and close the rear, the window here on the top. So let's look at the display, the driver's display here. So we have all the relevant information here. Can we change anything in the mode? Let's see. Yes, we can display some things here. Mode. Now if I press this button here, mode, it actually just switches between radio and DAB. If I use this one, then it only changes that part here. So it shows you the it's the rear diff, if it's activated or not, or the height. Then button perspective, there is buttons here, and you see there are some auxiliary buttons, and I guess those are the buttons when you want to install headlamps and additional lights and stuff. Then you can probably use this one. The Mhero II has them here at the bottom, you know, like the things here on the top. And if you want to go, if you want to charge, that's with all hybrid cars, you just press this one. It deventilates the charging, not the charging, the gas selection, and then you can charge from there. Good. So on the buttons here on the steering wheel, we have the usual the lane, keep, the assistance systems, the reset. We have the assisted speed. Then here, this one, I don't know what this one is. Or here, yeah, that's activating the night mode. It goes back here again, and then there's a camera symbol. If I click on this one, then I see that here, so I can take pictures and record videos. It's quite fun. A part of that, we have mode. We already looked at those, and those are the radio and telephony controls. There is a little selector for the drive mode, and here is a feature which I can program myself if I want. The driver modes include sport mode, comfort mode, personalized mode, standard, and that's it. And the other one is currently not activated, and there's a start-stop button here as well. Now let's go to the middle console here. The middle console has a big armrest here, which is in a good height. There is here, we can open it. There is no fridge as far as I can see. It's just a storage box here. So we can close it again. Not much to do. This one is fixed, and here is the park. And here, that one is the lever for the drive modes. So we can lock the diffs here, and we can change the modes here as well. It's very nicely done. Charging ports and some physical buttons, as you can see here. The camera here for assistant systems, rear diff, front diff. That's the emergency lever here. That's some, I think, mud or rock mode. Here is the crab walk. Yes, it has rear wheel steering, and here for driving down, so it brakes the car a little bit. And here, this one, I don't actually know what this one is. I need to research that one. Oh, okay, answered. So this one is the glove box. So if we look at the menu here, that's the normal home mode menu here. So you see quick mode here. I think this one is a quick selector for the sound. We go on next track and play and stop, etc. Car wash mode. So we can activate AC here. The AC is actually also nice and quite strong. The openings are very big and it acts quite quickly. So we can modify the settings here. There is seat ventilation, very nice, and seat heating as well. We can say, you know, all the different controls for the climate. There is a maximum here, and there is also that, you know, the air quality, which is quite nice. Can I click on it? No, I can't. And an ionizer. That's also nice, so it cleans the air inside, which is all very nice. So let's go back. There are certain scene modes here, which I like. Tranquility mode. So you hear the sound here, and you can just relax while the car is charging or while you're waiting for something. You have different selections, different sounds. It's cool. Parking security is good as well. It's also a feature I didn't know. So you have different areas, zone areas. So whenever someone comes, in one of those areas, it can trigger the alarm. So you can activate that and deactivate it. And also when someone came, and that works even when you're in the car. So you can clear the danger here. Let's go back and the car wash mode, and that's just helping you to think or to not to forget the car wash. The windows, it folds the exterior mirrors, locks the car charge ports, etc. So it just sets everything you need to have a good wash, and not to wash the cars inside, but just keep it outside where you want it. So and yeah, I also see there are some security mechanisms here. It's quite good, so you don't need to think about everything yourself. So furthermore, it has Apple CarPlay. Let's go here to the app section. We have different media. So there is radio, Bluetooth, and music. We have the DVR. It's a crash recorder here. The dash cam. It's all included. The energy section. It's a extended range car, so it has a big battery in it, and an ICE engine, which doesn't work on the wheels. It's just used to charge the battery. Dynamic mode. There's so much, and okay, can't here change anything. You can also do the discharge and set a discharge limit, and the charging limit we can set here as well.